Welcome to Ask the Lawyer radio podcast with attorney Brian Figeroux of the law firm Figeroux and Associates. This podcast features a recording of our most recent radio show aired weekly in New York City. We hope you enjoy the show, which features news, views, and interviews on matters such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. You can contact us at 855-768-8845 or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. You have questions? We've got the answers.
How do contingency fees work in personal injury cases? If you've been injured in an accident, the last thing you want to worry about is how to afford a lawyer. That's where contingency fees come in, a payment structure designed to give everyone access to legal representation, regardless of their financial situation. Let's break down how contingency fees work, what you can expect, and why it benefits you as a personal injury client in New York. What is a contingency fee? A contingency fee means your attorney's payment is contingent on winning your case. In simple terms, you don't pay anything up front. You only pay if your case is successful. The fee is taken as a percentage of your settlement or verdict. Typical contingency fee in New York. In most New York personal injury cases, the standard contingency fee is 33 1/3%, 1/3 of the final settlement or court award. This rate may vary slightly depending on the complexity of the case or specific agreements, but it's common and regulated under New York law. What's included in the contingency fee? The fee typically covers attorney consultations and advice, legal research and case preparation, negotiations with insurance companies, filing legal documents, trial representation, if necessary. In most cases, you don't pay out of pocket for legal work as your case progresses. What about case expenses? While the contingency fee covers legal services, there are often additional costs involved in handling a case, such as court filing fees, medical records requests, expert witness fees, deposition or court reporter costs. Some law firms will front these costs and deduct them from your settlement once the case concludes. Be sure to ask whether expenses are included in the contingency fee. They're reimbursed only if you win. Why contingency fees are client-friendly, no financial risk. If the case is lost, insurance attorneys are motivated to win. Gives injury victims access to the high-quality legal representation. You and your lawyer are aligned with one goal, securing the maximum compensation possible. Questions to ask at your initial meeting: what percentage is your fee? Will I be responsible for any costs if we lose? Are there any upfront or hidden fees? A reputable attorney will be transparent about all terms and put them in writing. You don't pay unless you win. Contingency fees make it possible to pursue justice and compensation without worrying about legal bills. It's a low-risk, high-value way to protect your future after an injury. Contact the personal injury law firm of Figeroux and Associates. Schedule a free consultation today. Call 855-768-8845 or visit askthelawyer.us.
Every day, thousands of people in New York State are injured in accidents. Many of them in automobile, bicycle, motorcycle, bus, cab, train, or pedestrian accidents. Most of them occur when drivers are texting while driving. Figeroux and Associates can help you perfectly to get all your medical expenses reimbursed. In addition, we can advise you and take your case when you have experienced a dog bite, medical malpractice, slip and falls on the streets or in any public or private establishment in the state of New York. You can get your life back to the way it was. Call now, 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Or visit us at 311personalinjury.com. Again, 311personalinjury.com. Get the right legal team that understands you in this hard situation.